Good morning, my dear students. Hope everything is fine. We're gonna continue our session today about what we've covered yesterday, which is scientific notation with positive powers of 10. Let's continue our exercises about this topic, and we said that scientific notation is just compressing the number down and make the number simple and easier for us to read it in a simple way. Here, this number, the question says write each number in scientific notation. Type. Here, 6,400,000. How can I write this number in its scientific notation? Type. As we agreed before, yesterday and the day before, if I have such a big number, a large number, so I imagine that I write down that the decimal the point is outside this number. Yani as if I'm saying 6,400,000.000. It will not affect the number. Yani this decimal point will not affect the number. Okay, so I will write a decimal point after the number ends. I will write the decimal point. Then, in order to write this number in its scientific notation, this decimal point, I have to move it to the left side inside this number until it reaches, until there will be one number only to the left side of this decimal point. One number only على شمالها. يعني هنا لو حطيتها هنا هيبقى لسه في numbers كتير على شمالها. If I put it here هيبقى لسه still في numbers كتير على شمالها. So I will go to the left side, move the decimal point steps inside until it reaches a one digit to the left side of this decimal point. طيب يبقى here I will move it to the left side how many steps? ادي 1 2 3 4 5 6 here in this position. The decimal point has only one digit on its left side اهو اللي هو 6. يبقى the first step I will write the decimal point after بعد ما my number اهو I will just put the decimal point. Then second step I will move this decimal point to the left side step by step until it reaches يبقى البوزيشن بتاعها only one digit to the left side of this decimal point. Only one digit to the left side of this decimal point. طيب third step بقى هعمل ايه؟ The third step is gonna be I will write بقى my new numbers ازاي؟ 6.4. I will just write the whole numbers الأرقام regardless the zeros. I will just write the whole numbers regardless the zeros. So here I will just write 6.4 بس 6.4. this is the whole numbers times 6 power كام؟ طيب how many steps did I move the decimal point to the left side? How many steps? 1 2 3 4 5 6. يبقى I moved the decimal point 6 steps to the left side. يبقى my new number will be 6.4 times 10 power 6. 6.4 times 10 power 6. طيب let's go for another example. 57 and how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I cannot be able even to read this number. It's very big, a very large number. We cannot even able to read it. It's I believe 9. It's 570 billion. I believe 570 billion. I believe it's 570 billion. So here it's very huge number, it's very large number. So also they are asking me to write this number in the scientific notation. طيب يبقى this after this large number I will put the decimal point. يبقى this is step number 1. Step number 1 I will put the decimal point after the number, this huge number. طيب then second Second step, I will start moving this decimal point to the left side inside this number until it reaches a position where only one digit to its left side. يبقى I will start moving this decimal point to the left side into the number, into my huge number there, until this decimal point reaches a position where there is only one digit at its left side. Okay, so I will start moving it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 اهو. هنا at this point في بس ايه only one digit اللي هو ال 5 at the left side of this decimal point. Third step بقى هعمل ايه؟ third step I will rewrite my new number بقى ال scientific notation بتاعه. طيب النمبر الجديد my new number is divided into two parts. أول part اللي هو ال whole numbers with the decimal point, with my new position of the decimal point اللي هو هيبقى 5.7 whole numbers only without regardless the zeros. هيبقى 5.7 only times 10. طيب 10 power كام؟ 10 power all the steps which my decimal point moved to the left side until it reaches this position. يبقى كام step؟ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. يبقى ايه؟ هيبقى sorry this number is wrong by the way, sorry. 5.7 times 10 power 11. 5.7 times 10 power 11. يبقى 5.7 this the whole numbers times 10 power 11 اللي هو ايه the steps, the number of steps which my decimal point moved to the left side until it reaches its new position. صح كده؟ طيب تمام. طيب let's go for an exercise بقى. This exercise I already did it for you, but يعني you can do it without the answers. يعني you can hide the answer and do it again. Inshallah by the end of this week I will send you in your classroom homeworks, okay, for this topic in order to move into a new topic. Type here, write each number in scientific notation. This is the question what's gonna be in the exam. Write each number in its scientific notation. 799 800 and 3 zeros. Type, how can I write this? Can you please help me? Type, I will just put a decimal point here, point ahead, okay. Then I will start moving this decimal point to the left side into the number, into my number, until it reaches a position where there is only one digit on its left side. يبقى my new number will be 7.998 because I will write all the whole numbers I have regardless zeros. So my new number will be 7.998 times بقى how many steps? How many steps did this decimal point move inside the number? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. يبقى my new number اللي هو scientific notation of this huge number will be 7.998 times 10 power 8 because my decimal point moved 8 steps to the left side until it reached this position اللي هو يبقى على شمالها one number only. طيب let's see this huge number برضو. sorry okay, let's see this huge number 462 billion, I believe 462 billion. So also I will, first step I will put a decimal point, okay. يبقى I will put my decimal point, then I will start moving this decimal point to the left side, inside my number until it reaches a position where there is only one digit on its left side. يبقى I will move this decimal point to the left side into the number until it reaches a position where there is only one digit on its left side. Okay, so then my new number will be all the whole numbers regardless zeros. So my new number will be 4.62. 4.62 times 10 power كام؟ طيب how many steps did this decimal point move? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. يبقى my new number بالscientific notation بقى هيبقى 4.62 times 10 to the power of 11 times 10 to the power of 11. طيب let's move to number 3. Here 897,800 صح؟ yes 897,800. طيب it's also a huge number. Okay, طيب how can I write this number in its scientific notation? طيب يبقى I will also put a decimal point outside this number. Then I will start moving this decimal point to the left side into the number until it reaches a position where there is only one digit to its left side. Then I will write all the whole numbers without the zeros. يعني all the whole numbers اللي موجودين هنا. يعني 8.978 8.987 8.987 sorry 8.978 8.978 times 10 power كام بقى؟ طيب how many steps did this decimal point move? 1 2 3 4 5. يبقى here 8.978 times 10 to the power of 5. Again 8.978 times 10 to the power of 5. Okay, طيب our session stopped till here because we already run out of time. Then we're gonna continue tomorrow our session inshallah. We'll continue this worksheet and extra worksheets inshallah tomorrow. Try to complete this exercise and we're gonna continue tomorrow inshallah. See you tomorrow inshallah, and if you have any question please feel free to ask me or send me on your classroom so we can be able to contact each other inshallah. Take care of yourself and stay safe at home. Love you so much and miss you so much. Take care of yourself and hope to see you very soon inshallah at our school. Have a good day inshallah.